All right, here goes a lesson for you on a great old tune by Bob Seger called "Still the Same." So this one's a fairly easy one. We're gonna start with like an E minor. It's really part of a C major chord, but we're gonna do it like this here. So we got the 2 and the zeros. We're gonna come into this 1 here, making it a C chord, and it sounds just like the singing. The still the same. So we're gonna have, going from that C, we're gonna pop in this pinky on the 3rd fret, or whichever finger you want, on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So we got, okay, so that first one we kind of hold out a little bit. Dum dee ding. So we have a down up on that C chord. So we go up, down, up. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. And then we're gonna hit that E minor again. So we got, so you're kind of keeping a steady rhythm with your thumb on these downbeats, and then sometimes we'll have these little ups coming with the thumb as well. So we got, so that E minor is kind of like ahead of the beat there. See how that was an upstroke? So then we're going to keep strumming that in the new measure. We're going to go. And a very common strum thing that's going to happen in this song is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's kind of what's happening here on this E minor chord. So we got, 4, and then we're gonna go to this G with the 2 3s in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that time I kind of waited to hit that upbeat of the E minor, so I didn't have a strum right before it. I kind of just waited. You can do it that way too. So. Now see, when I did that upstroke, I had to come right back in quickly and hit the 1, 2, 3, and 4 in that E minor, the next measure. So we got. 2, 3, and 4. Now the second time. One, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so there's 2 measures of G there leading into the first verse. So the G chord here is going to be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so let's do the whole intro one more time. 3, 4. So then we're going to do the verse, and it's going to do just the same thing twice in a row. So we got. To G. Okay, and then we have the next part. We're going to go into F to G. And we're going to have a 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going to be our strum again. So we're going to go F to G, and then C, and then E major, A minor, D minor, and then we're going to have this little riff. Okay, so we got the 3 on the bottom, and then this is a G, and then we go to a G7 with the 1 here. 3 strums on each. And then we got a G6, all the opens, and then we're going to kind of try to mute the small ones so that we hear this 3 on the 2nd string. Back to like a regular G chord. So let's look at that whole new part. We got F, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 as our strum. So here we go. It's going to be F to G, and then C to E. Let's try those 4. F, G, C, and E. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. G, C, E. And then we're going A minor, D minor, and then the walk down G thing. Okay, so let's try that again. We got F to G, C to E, and then A minor, D minor. 2, 3, and. the A minor, D minor, and the G walk down. We're back into this. And again. Then we have our F, G, C, E, A minor, D minor, G walk down, and I did the strumming a little different at the beginning of that. It doesn't have to be this exact thing. As long as you come up with something that, you know, has the vibe of the song, and especially helps to play along with the song and really get a feel for what you think those strums are. Because, you know, so often they mix it up and they don't do exactly the same thing all the time. So sometimes you might look at a tab and it makes it very much like 1, 2, 3, and 4 for all the chords. That doesn't mean they're not putting in some extra little choppy stuff in there to make it fun. Okay, so let's go back to the F to G thing. 3, 4. C to E. And walk down. Now we have a new part. We're going to come into the chorus. We're going to have a C chord, E, A major, and again, and then we'll have D minor twice, and then G walk down again, back to C, E, A, D minor twice, G walk down, and then we're back to the intro. 2, 3, and. And actually there's a sing in there, so it's kind of like a chorus, but it is like our intro riff. And then we do it again. And it's going to keep repeating that until the fade out. Ends up being about 6 of those, and it's getting to its fade out. Okay, so let's go over a few things here. So first of all, let's do that riff together. 2, 3, and. Nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. So it is a little tricky hitting that upstroke on that E minor. So you kind of have to hold this one, and that's an upstroke too, because it's on the and of a beat. So you kind of don't hit the down that would be in between those. See how that's a down right there? I kind of skipped that. And then another up. To do a quick up and then a down, 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 up, down. Okay, let's go over our F part one time. F to G, C to E, A minor, D minor, and the G walk down. I'll count them off as we go. 2, 3, and. Okay, then you're back to a verse, and then you do another F to G thing, and then we jump onto this chorus. We have C to E. A major twice. D minor twice. Then we got the walk down. All right, Still the Same by Bob Seger, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.